Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change notification pop-up style in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. So at first swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to notifications option and then go to notification pop-up style. Then you have to select brief from here. Then go to edge lighting style option. From here you can customize your notification pop-up style. If you want to change effect, then you can choose any effect as you want. If I select this, now if you want to change your effect color, just tap on color and then choose any color as you like. And after change the color, tap on advanced. From here you can change your effect transparency. Also from here you can set your effect duration and you can set any level as you want. Then tap on done. And you can see it's changed successfully. You have to also enable show even while screen off option from here. And that is how you can change notification pop-up style in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.